Hi everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's channel. This is Caitlin. Today's product we want to show you is our nitrogen oxygen sensor. And now please let's see. Firstly, I would like to show you the outside packages, the brown box, and here this is the label. The label information includes the product code is 5WK96761. The square 4-pin. Here this is the QR code and the OEM number. Actually, for the local label packages, all the details we might support customized service, and now we will check the inside part for you. Inside the bubble bag, that's it. Let's see each part one by one. Firstly, you can see this part. This is the nitrogen oxygen sensor probe. Each spare part will use the protection cover to protect it. And this part, this is the wire harness, and the outside part is the silicone tube. Here, this is the connector. The plug, that's the plug. The EUI connector. And on this part, you will see it print with the product code and other information about this sensor. Each product we might support 6 months warranty time, so you got the quality guaranteed for this product. Okay, so much for that. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time here. Wish you have a good day. See you.